So we're taking you today behind the scenes to our new listing in downtown Jersey City. We are in the middle of downtown and just minutes away from the path and the restaurant road and everything that Jersey City downtown has to offer. This home is a single family home, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it has parking, a great outdoor space. So you guys have to look at this. This is the before. I cannot wait to show you. Come with me. This is still in full renovation. This is a home that our local builder got last year, and we helped him buy it with the intention of being renovated, bring back to the market with a brand new facelift. So we are in full swing with the renovations, and I hope you guys like it and you can see the vision behind it. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. We have plenty of storage, have a huge counter space that is gonna give you a lot of space to prep. There is one feature that our local builder really looked into by opening this wall and having a whole sliding glass door that is gonna move away and it's actually gonna let you live inside and outside. During the summer, you're gonna have a full enjoyment of your big size lot. So let's go now and take a look at some of the other features. Storage is always important. Any nook, anything that we can get storage, we're gonna add some space for you guys. And we have an instant hot water, tankless water heater. So that's one of the nice features. We also put central AC and heating throughout the home. Okay, so let's take a look upstairs. So we come upstairs and right away we see a linen closet here. Again, a lot of storage, that's what we want. And here is a full-size bathroom. We have one of the bedrooms here with a nice closet. And these are nice wood doors, bright, a lot of light in this room. Then we go to another bedroom. Again, these rooms are a good size. We also have a closet. And all of the lighting is LED and everything has been updated and renovated. We have here the master bedroom. This bedroom is huge. So you could see, you can fit a king-size bed, you can have all your furniture, and also you have a his and her closet. Thank you so much for taking the tour of this great home renovation with me. And remember, this home could be yours.